Hey you. Hey you. Hey. Shepherd. How you doing? Let me go in and see what's going on. How y'all doing? This is the living room. We've already installed the electrical outlets. So these are the what the outlet what? The outlet. The cup. Okay, the outlet cup. The utility cup. Okay, so they have installed most of the
switch.
Okay, those are for the switch.
Switch.
The switches.
Switch.
Another switch over there.
That's it.
So this is the ongoing work for the electrical in the owner's unit of the farmhouse. This is the living room area. They just chisel away the wall side, but this is gonna be the not a living room. This is the dining room. Yeah. This is the owner's bedroom, the master bedroom of the farmhouse. So they've installed the wall and an electrical switch. I don't know if this is the switch or the utility cup. So this is right at the entrance door, right? How y'all doing?
Your opinion is that?
Yeah, okay. Why you do that? Open the one. You know open this properly? Huh?
Okay, like I said already, I'm going to what is that for?
You can do it? See what they want to open it. Huh? You open the one. Just open the one. You see what they want to open it. Go through it. They want take a shopper. Just stay in there and confine it. You should want to confine it. When it's soft, then when I say orange inside, so you know, shop it in the line.
Oh, we got some mixing of sand and cement here. We got a complete portion of the building, the ones that weren't completed. So up there we can see that. So when the house was being built, originally we ran out of bricks. So now they are completing the portion that was not completed.
Rennie, won't take the PBS.
That's not Bernie, that's here.
We are driving
That worked was
Right down here. Y'all do this, they 2 weeks up where you're consuming it, finish. You're not coming to go there, baby. So, like, me, maybe they'll come in for you to know. Oh, you want one of that? Na drum band, eu ponho na tua, vai ter clipe. Eu na tua, eu ponho o
This is the owner's unit, the second bedroom in the owner's unit. So they have also completed the electrical pipings and I guess the wall utility top here as well. Another one here. This one is situated right under the window. One of the windows.
Yes, sir. There you guys sit to the man.
And the bathroom as well. So the electrical for the bathroom, the second bathroom of the owner's unit. They have installed electrical pipes and cups, utility cups. I guess this is going to be for the swish. So here we have started the digging of the septic tank. So this is the first one. This one is for the owner's unit. The second one is going to be dug for the caretaker unit once they're done with this one. So they started it today, Tuesday, April 4th. Wow, you're not hot? It's sun. Maybe something like that. They got to start sewing in the morning. Or maybe around 6 in the evening, 9 in the morning. But the time of the day that you started, I don't know, they heat too much.
We just got to make it work.
Right. Yep. A lot of work going on here at the site.
Which, you know.